Good morning, my dear students. How are you? And welcome everyone to our online classes of our Vidyanchal International School. Hello, students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Okay. Now, first, today is 25th of May and the day is Monday. Okay, students. Now, read today chapter 4. Okay. Please purchase book as soon as possible from the school so that you can do your homework and task of the study material you can do properly. Okay. And first of all, if any exercise it is not I am doing completed, and please don't worry, when the school will open I will teach you thoroughly each and every points. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, now chapter 4, the lost child. The lost means एक मतलब एक बच्चा, एक मतलब खोया हुआ बच्चा. Okay students, now let us read now glimpse. Have you ever forgotten your way to a place or got lost somewhere? कि आप लोग जो है अपना रास्ता जो है कभी भी आप लोग भूले हैं या खोए हुए हैं आप लोग कभी भी कहीं भी. What did you do in such a situation? आप लोग ऐसा सिचुएशन में क्या कीजिएगा? This is a touching story of a little boy who gets lost in the crowd of a village fear. ये जो है एक टॉचिंग स्टोरी, एक मारमारी की, एक दिल को छूने वाली कहानी, एक लिटिल बॉय, एक छोटा सा बच्चा का, एक छोटा सा लड़का का, who gets lost in the village fair. जो है एक गांव का जो मेला होता है, विलेज फेयर, विलेज का फेयर मीन्स गांव का जो मेला होता है उसका भीड़ में क्या हो गया, खो गया है. लेट अस रीड द स्टोरी एंड नो व्हाट हैपेंस नेक्स्ट. चलिए स्टोरी पढ़ते हैं और जानते हैं कि क्या हुआ है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ लुक. नाउ it was the festival of spring. Okay, it was the festival of spring. A colorfully dressed crowd of men, women and the children were all going to the village fair. Some walked, some rode on horses, others went in bullock carts. One little boy ran brimming over with life and laughter to keep pace. Okay, to keep pace with his parents. Come child, come, called his parents as he lagged behind, attracted by the toys in the shops at the fair. Okay, now this is the story that one boy is going here in the village fair with his father and mother, and he is making pace with his parents. Okay, now look. Now they are calling their children, come child, come, call his parents, and he lagged behind, attracted what, by the toys in the shops at the fair. So you know in the fair there are many types of toys, many types of sweet dishes. Okay, and the boy is looking to them. Okay, to with. And he hurried towards his parents. He would not control his desire, even though he knew the old cold stare of refusal in their eyes. I want that toy, he begged. Now this little boy what wants the toy. He begged to their parents that he wants the little, because he could not control his desire. His father looked at him angrily while his mother was tender, and his father looked at him angrily. Maybe his father doesn't want to buy the toy for the little boy, but the mother was tender, the mother was soft. Okay, soft means smooth. She is not in angry manner, she is in normal manner, and giving her finger to catch, said, look child, what is before you? The faintest gust of the child's unfulfilled desire disappeared when the pleasure of what was before gave him filled his eager eyes. And his desires are not fulfilled here. Okay, neither by the father nor by the mother. The faintest gust of the child's unfulfilled desire and disappeared, and when the pleasure of what was before him filled his eager eyes. Now look, the child could see many footpaths full of people. In footpath there's many types of people. He felt at once afraid and attracted by the confusion of the world he was entering. At the corner of the entrance there was a sweetmeat seller. Okay, there was a sweetmeat seller. So in fair, all of you know that there are different kinds of materials are sold in the fair. There are many toys also. Now he looks now sweetmeat seller, and the calling out gulab jamun, rasgulla, barfi and jalebi. The child stared and his mouth watered. Okay, the child stared at it and he wants to eat it. Okay, so his mouth is now water, उसका मुंह में से पानी आ गया. Okay, वो खाने के लिए. For the barfi was his favorite sweet. Barfi was his favorite sweet. Was the little boy. I want that barfi. He slowly murmured. वो सबसे मन ही मन बोला कि I want that barfi, but he half knew that his request would not be heeded. लेकिन ये चीज़ उसको मालूम था कि उसके रिक्वेस्ट को ध्यान नहीं दिया जाएगा, उसका बात नहीं माना जाएगा. So without waiting for an answer he moved on. जैसे आंसर का बिन इंतज़ार किए वो वहाँ से क्या हुआ, चला गया. स्टूडेंट्स, ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ओनली दिस मच इन दिस वीडियो. ओके, प्लीज़ आप लोग इसको बार बार थोड़ा आप लोग रीडिंग बार बार कीजिए सो दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट प्रॉपर्ली. ओके, आई विल रीड दिस मच आफ्टर इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, हैव अ ग्रेट डे एंड टेक केयर.